Another awesome multi-loop anchor is the tensionless hitch anchor. Not only is this anchor fast and easy to set up, but it also maintains 100% strength of the rope that you're utilizing. So this is a great option for a high strength tie-off anchor when needed. I personally use this anchor when I'm rigging up my edge protection line, and then I'll also use it for a quick, hasty rappel anchor to go over the edge. Also, you can use it when you need a high strength tie off when setting up high lines or guidelines. All right, now let's learn how to tie the tensionless hitch anchor. So to tie the tensionless hitch anchor, you should have an anchor post or tree with at least a diameter of about 4 inches. So tie a figure 8 on a bight at the end of your rope and then coil up a couple feet of rope depending on how big the diameter is of your anchor. Start at the top and concentrically wrap your rope in a downward fashion with about 3 or 4 loops going around the anchor depending on the diameter of the post. The smoother it is, often the more wraps you'll need to constrict or hold tension. So you'll be done when the figure 8 ends up in the front, and you want to make sure it aligns at about a 90-degree angle with the standing line. Then just clip a carabiner into the figure 8 on a bight, attach that to the standing line, lock the carabiner, and make any micro adjustments as needed. You now have your tensionless, high strength anchor tie-off. If you need to save some equipment, an alternative method of tying off the tensionless anchor is to tie a figure 8 retrace on the end of the working line, wrapping that around the standing portion of the rope. So this will save you a carabiner. So this is perfectly acceptable and just as strong. The important thing when we finish is to not have any stress or tension on the figure 8 knot. That is what keeps the rope or the cord at its full strength. All right, so to review, the tensionless hitch anchor is an incredible anchor because it maintains 100% of the rope strength. It's simple and relatively fast to tie, really easy to safety. It'll grip on your post or your anchor depending on how slippery it is. Will depend on how many wraps you need to go around to accomplish that gripability. And then one disadvantage is this may use a little bit more rope than the simple loop anchor of like a figure 8 retrace or the bowling rope anchor. All right, well, another tool for your tool belt. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you in the next video.